Hi, my name is Dave, and I am the store manager here at TGK Automotive of Rosemount. Some of the things that I value the most in the automotive industry is making sure that we have trust and transparency with our customers, and making sure that our customers are taken care of as well as our employees. When customers walk in the door at TGK, they're going to be greeted with a warm and friendly welcome, and they're going to be treated like family. We want to make sure that when you hand over your keys, that your vehicle and your needs are treated just like it was one of our own personal vehicles. I think one of the things that differentiates TGK from other automotive shops is that when we do our digital inspections and we give that information to you, we're not just trying to sell you services to sell you services. We're recommending services based off of mileage and service history to make sure that your vehicle is properly maintained. And we want to make sure that we keep an open line of communication with all our customers on what services may be recommended at a certain mileage, or what repairs might be needed now, or things that may be able to wait until a future service date. At TGK Automotive, we offer an industry-leading lifetime warranty on all non-wear parts, as well as a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty on our wear parts. To our family and community of Rosemount, we are here to serve your automotive needs, and if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at any time or stop in at our location.